The dark is near. It's time to dance.